This is going to be a breakdown of the chorus choreo, the Vogue choreo in XLOV's Serve. Little caveat before we start, I am not the choreographer of this piece. I am just learning the choreography from video as best as I can. As soon as I find out who the choreographer is, I will credit them in the caption. This choreo is really incredible as far as Vogue choreo in mainstream pop in general and K-pop, and I'm a really big fan of it. So I just wanted to break it down for anyone who might be trying to learn it at home without sort of a Vogue background. So we're going to start. This is my right hand with the red glove. This is my left hand without the glove. We're going to start with the right hand. As we're doing this, we're sitting into that left hip. So my right leg is bent, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to go tap the shoulder, back of the other shoulder. So my back of my hand is facing my shoulder. And then I'm going to do a half figure 8 over my head and a roll forward. I'm going to break that down for you. We're going to go tap, back, swipe, and roll. Yep, so we're swiping in front of the face and roll forward. Yep. On 5, we're switching our weight from the right side to the left side, from the right side to the left side, and with that, both of our hands are tapping tap, tap, and then we're gonna go figure 8 above the head to hit this line out with our wrists loose and our fingers down. That figure 8, again, to break it down, I have videos breaking down a figure 8 over the head, but what I'm doing here is boom, 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 boom. So right hand, left hand, left hand, and then I'm hitting this line. Yep, so all together from the top, first 8 count, we have 5, 6, 7, sink into the right hip, 1, 2, half, and roll. We go both. Here, figure 8, hit. Good. From here, our hands are going to go forward. Gi, gi. Yep, so on that, we're gonna go forward, then I'm prepping here, and I'm pushing in. So chest out, in, as I'm pushing in. Yep, and with that, the timing is gonna be 1, 2, and hold, and then you move on forward. Okay, so it's 1, 1, 2, and 4. Okay? 1, 2, and. On 4, your hands are gonna sweep in and kind of hug yourself. So boom, 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 boom. Yep. With our legs, what we're doing to match that, so we are in here, sitting inside of our right hip with our left leg cocked. That's after boom, 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 boom. We're gonna step back, left, right, and. And then when we go boom, we're gonna pick that left foot up a little bit to prep to step forward with it. So we're just stepping back 2 times. We go left, right, up. Okay, together with the hands and the legs, we just did boom, 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 boom. We go boom, gi, 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 good. That's gonna start our catwalk forward. So with all these steps, even those 2 that I just took, we're really trying to center our hips. I have a video on the catwalk basics you might wanna reference, but it's not just walking back and forth, right? It's all about that hip activation to make it really grounded and leveled. So you wanna be at a mid-level, you don't wanna be standing all the way up here. You wanna be kind of down here at this bent level. Yep, so we just did boom. We're gonna step forward, 1, 2, 3, kick, okay? So that kick is kind of like a mid kick. You're not going super, super high, but it's 1, 2, 3, kick. Yep, when you're stepping, step in a straight line forward, right? You're not stepping like this. You're not over crossing like this. It's a very kind of demure, light cat walk here, kick. Yep, and all you're doing to accent that is boom. We have boom. Your hands are out here. You're kind of just shimmying your shoulders, however it feels comfortable. Might be a little bit syncopated. It's hard to 100% tell from the video, but I think it's like boom, gi, 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 boom, ka. Yep. And on the last 2 counts after boom, gi, 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 you're gonna go boom, ka. So what that is, the pathway of my hands, I'm going here, circling in with my thumbs pointed down, and then ka with my thumbs pointed up. So boom, ka. Yep. And with that, I'm kicking, so we have left, right, left, kick. Beautiful. Yep. And you're kind of coming in a little bit on that kick as well. So after this kick, you're stepping down with that right foot, and your hands are gonna come to here. First 2 counts, your hands stay here, they're not moving. You're just going to kind of rock back and forth into like kind of a pseudo catwalk step. You can pick your feet up or you can just sway. Kind of depends on what shoes you're wearing, how you want to accent the move. I noticed the members kind of executed a little bit in different ways, but whatever feels best for you to kind of keep that swaying, hip-centered movement while you're doing it. Your first 2 counts, you're not moving those hands at all. You're just going 1, 2. On 3 and 4, you're just bringing those hands down to a straight line. 3, 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. On 5, 6, 7, 8, we're going to continue this pattern with the legs, and what we're going to do with the hands is boom, 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 boom. So what I'm doing here, it's not just this. You're thinking about tracing one hand with the other. Yeah, and with Vogue Femme, you always want to keep your fingers really soft and loose, and you have the stability coming from the rest of your arms. Yep, and your shoulders. So we just did boom, gi, we go, boom, 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 boom. Again, with this move, some of them are traveling, some of them are not. So the way you're executing the feet would depend on whose part you're doing, but it's roughly that kind of small, really subtle groove. And then the final sort of kill off section, we're gonna go, I'm just gonna focus on the hands because you're not really doing much with your feet. You're gonna go gi, gi, gi. So what I'm doing there is cross, right hand is in front, open, cross. Left hand is in front, and then I'm switching down to here. So boom, 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 boom. Yep, boom, 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 boom. 1 and 2 and. From here, think about keeping both your hands are open. Close your right hand first, and bring your hands up. So you're gonna go boom, 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 boom. You're just swapping which hand is open. So gi, 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 gi. Yep, dee, 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 dee. It's very much like this situation, but once you figure it out, it'll click. So just sit in front of a mirror until it makes sense, but it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And then the final 4 counts, as best as I can tell, this is the shakiest part for me, I think is just here. They're looking slightly to the left, sitting into the left hip, I believe, do not quote me, boom, yep. Then they're sitting into the right hip, going boom, boom, gi, gi, gi. And they're kind of accenting that final move with a little bit of a shake of the leg and the shoulder. Okay, let's go through it from the top, super, super slowly. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8, we have boom, gi, 3, and roll, we have 5, 6, 7, and 8. We have 1, 2, and hold. 4, shimmy, shimmy, gi, gi, kick. We have 1, 3, 4, we have swipe, 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 swipe. We have gi, 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 boom. Circle, circle, gi, gi, gi. Beautiful. Here's what it looks like with music.